Okay, I'm going to show you how to save one page or just a few pages of a PDF document. So for example, I have this whole big long PDF document that has quizzes and notes and everything else for the entire unit in it. And I want to post just these notes right here, just this one page for my kids. So I don't want to post the entire document, so I want to save this as just this one page. So you're actually going to go click print, and right here under destination, you at school will have your school printers listed that you have an option to print to. And then you'll have Microsoft Print to PDF, or it might just say save as PDF. Either one is fine. And then under pages, you want to do custom because you don't want to save all of them. This was page 26, so I'm just going to do page 26. Let's say I wanted a few pages. I could do 26 through 27, and it would print, 2 pages or whatever you want to do. But I just want that one page. So now when I click print, instead of printing, it's going to show up this box to save it. So this is going to be my unit, 1 lesson 7 notes. And then I'm going to save it. So now when I go to that folder, and it's right there, there you go. It's just the one page, so I can upload that for my kids.